In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove decimals in Excel. If you've ever opened a spreadsheet and felt distracted by long decimals, this quick method will tidy things up fast. We're going to make your numbers display as whole numbers without changing their actual values, which is perfect when you just want a cleaner view for reports or printing. First, start by selecting the number that shows decimals. Click once on the cell you want to clean up. If you have several numbers to format the same way, you can select a range by dragging across the cells, or select an entire column by clicking its header. The key idea here is that whatever you select is what Excel will format, so take a second to highlight exactly the cells you want to affect. With your cells selected, find the Decrease Decimal button on the Home tab in the number group on the ribbon. The icon usually shows a left-pointing arrow with zeros, and it reduces the number of decimal places each time you click it. Click it once to go from, say, 2 decimals to 1. Click it again to go from 1 to 0. Keep clicking until the decimals disappear and your values display as whole numbers. A helpful note as you do this: you're changing the way Excel displays the number, not the number itself. The underlying value remains the same, which means formulas will still calculate with full precision. If you look at the formula bar after decreasing decimals, you might still see the full original value there, even though the cell shows a rounded whole number. That's expected and useful when you need accurate calculations, but a clean presentation. If you need to reverse the change, use the Increase Decimal button right next to it to bring decimals back, one place at a time. This is handy if you want to click too far or want to fine-tune the appearance. A couple of quick tips. If the button isn't visible because your window is narrow, expand the Excel window or use the search bar in the ribbon to look for Decrease Decimal. Also, if some cells don't change, double-check that they're numeric values and not text. Text won't respond to decimal formatting until it's converted to numbers. That's all there is to it. Select the numbers that show decimals, then click Decrease Decimal until you reach the look you want. Save your workbook, and you're done. Clean, consistent, and presentation ready.